Hey folks, so I recently purchased some Rhus coriaria seeds from TreeSeedMan off Etsy. He also has his own website and he sells a bunch of different tree seeds. And for those of you who don't know, it's known as tanner's sumac because people use it for tanning back in the day, like tanning leather and upholstery and stuff. But it's also the type of sumac that's mainly used for the edible sumac from the Middle East. So let us take a look at this. So we have a thank you for purchasing, how to prepare the seeds, and then every order is given an extra thank you gift. We have information, about different things, fun facts about trees. Instead of fun facts about or fun with flags, like off the Big Bang Theory, you have fun with trees. And then let's see, we have about 50 seeds. So that, he gave us some black chokecherry as a gift. Don't know what chokecherry is. I'll have to research it, but that's good. And we have 40 seeds. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. We have probably about 50 seeds here. Nice. So he gave me extra seeds and some black chokecherry. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it inspiring if you're trying to find seeds of different types of trees that are not easy to come by from your local nursery. Thanks for watching and happy planting.